Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a what I eat in a day video, Saturday edition. I am going to try to stay in my reverse diet calories today, even though I really want a latte. And when I want a latte, I kind of have to workshop my day and my calories to make everything fit and make everything make sense. But yeah, I'm going to try to focus on high protein, high fiber today. I'm going to eat my breakfast right now, so let's get to eating. I'm eating my chia seed pudding. I think it is 15 grams of fiber and like 23 grams of protein. But it literally keeps me full for so long, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I hate hearing people say that. Oh my god, this kept me full for so long. Oh my god, like I wasn't hungry for like the next 4 or 5 hours. You don't know my hunger, okay? I be hungry. But I'm not gonna lie, this literally does keep me full, as well as like my kibble. I feel like I'm really good at making my breakfasts keep me fuller because I either eat very high protein for my breakfast or like very high fiber. And this legit tastes like chocolate pudding. Today's kind of a chill day. I am getting ready to go play tennis with my friend. I don't really have any like other plans, but I do kind of low-key want to go to the mall or like to Thrift Pony just to see if there's anything that I want to get for my trip. Say hi. We just got to Veterans Park. It is almost 8. But the weather feels nice and we're gonna get like a cute little game in. Match is what they call it, and then see where we go from there. I feel like the sun's already starting to beam. Up, up, up. Off, down. I had one to sit on. I do. Ooh, that sounds really good. You can actually do an iced s'mores latte with oat milk, please, to go. On days where I get like a full latte, I literally just guesstimate these calories and I just log it as 300. It could be more, it could be less. I don't know, and I don't care. I just do 300, so. And this is the s'mores latte from Undercurrent. It is so freaking good. It is my current favorite seasonal from them. And I could literally chug this in like 3.5 seconds. Okay, so for lunch, I am making my little tuna and bean dip. I use black beans, hot spicy tuna. I actually did this with non-spicy tuna. It was not as good. So if you're gonna try this, get spicy tuna. I use avocado smash. And then these are the chips that I use, the sea salt multigrain from Late July. And I love that they have literally 2 grams of fiber per serving. I think that's pretty good for chips. Mix this up, which doesn't look the most aesthetic, but that's how I make this little dip. Here's my little bean dip situation. I usually do eat this with a fork or a spoon because the chips aren't enough for the whole thing. So I do take a couple of my bites from using a spoon or fork. The best bite comes from using the chip. This is so good and so clutch because it's very like high in fiber. You don't really have to cook anything. I love it so much. As you guys saw, I did go to Birkdale Village. If you're not familiar with Charlotte, it's basically like an outdoor mall space. It's actually really nice. It was my first time ever going to shop there. I usually only really go to South Park Mall if I want to go in store, but I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. I'm actually proud of myself because I feel like I didn't go crazy. I got the stuff that I needed, and then I did want a pop of color for this trip that I'm going on, and I still do. So I think I'm gonna go online line tonight. When I buy something, I'm trying to think about the many different occasions and things I can wear that for, instead of just thinking like, okay, I'm going to Italy, like I want, like I'll be at the beach, like I want something very beachy, Italian, you know, like it's like, when else am I ever gonna fucking wear that? Now, when I'm trying to buy something, I'm like, can I at least wear this 3 other times? Anyways, the boutiques at Birkdale Village, expensive, which good for them. They had really nice stuff, but I ended up going into the store called J. Jill, and it was giving, low-key was giving like J. Crew vibes, but they were having a sale, so I looked at the sale rack, obviously, because that's where I belong in the first place, and I did get this cute skirt, y'all. Well, they had 2 colors. They had the blue color, and then they had the red color, burgundy color, but burgundy, they didn't have in my size. So I was sad about that, but I ended up getting this navy one, and it's like, it has like some detailing on it. It's really nice, and I was like, oh, like I could wear this with like a white tank top. I could wear this like with a white shirt, a crop top, because it's not too tight on me, which I love. But then I was thinking, oh, I could also like wear this to work, or I can wear this on my girls' trip that I'm taking to another beach town. And yeah, I love it. I got this. It was on sale, so they were having an additional 40% off sale from like the lower price. This skirt originally was $89. The sale price was $39. It was an extra 40 off of that. I think I paid 20 something. I paid $25.97. We were leaving the store. I literally told Troy, I was like, I might come back here when it's full time to see what the fall sale looks like. But yeah, it's like very like J. Crew business casual type of stuff. So you really have to, I feel like, have to have an eye for like what you want to wear the stuff for. And then what I really went for was Sephora, which I could have easily gone to South Park, but I really wanted to go somewhere new. So I'll show you guys what I got from Sephora. You go to Sephora, you get like 2 things, and your total is $150. That's how it always is with me anyways. Okay, so I got some mascara because I'm running low on my mascara, and for some reason, I don't really have a mascara that I feel loyal to. So I'm trying this new one, new to me, from Fenty Beauty. If you've tried this, let me know if you like it. And then I got, randomly, this looked interesting to me. It's like a lip oil from Sephora, and I don't know, it just looked interesting. And I feel like it'd be kind of cuter because I usually, like, I don't wear stuff on my lips every day. Sometimes I do chapstick, but if I just want to do like something that's a little cuter, I'll do lip oil. And then I did get some eyeliner. If you follow me on TikTok, you know I don't really wear eyeliner. I had an eyeliner phase. I used to like do like winged eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner has a very specific time and place. For me, I do find myself gravitating lately, like when I'm going out, like wanting to put eyeliner on my eyes, but I don't have any. I really needed some eyeliner for when I want to do actual eyeliner. It is gel? No, it's liquid eyeliner. What I really truly needed was more concealer, because I think I have enough foundation. I feel like I use the NARS foundation, and I have like 2 bottles, and lately I feel like this summer I haven't really been going for full foundation on my face as much, and I think that on my trip I'm also probably not going to do full foundation, especially if you're a girl, you're on vacation. After day 3, I don't want to put on makeup anymore. No, I don't want to put on makeup anymore. I don't want to put on makeup anymore. It becomes like a hassle, and it's like, and then I gotta wipe it all off, start all over, wipe it all off, start all over. This trip I am gonna focus mostly on like concealer, blush, and then like leave the foundation for like, I don't know, some nice dinners, whatever. So yeah, and then that is everything that I got from Sephora. I would love to know y'all's guesses on how much I spent on this. Comment down below what you think I spent on all 4. Now, granted, I will say it is cheaper than what 4 usually would be, because I feel like 2 of them are the Sephora collection. Also, I was gonna go to Harris Teeter after I went shopping, and I was gonna make a steak tonight with mashed potatoes and broccoli and be real healthy, real healthy. But then I left Birkdale Village, and I said, actually, the last thing I want to do is walk into Harris Teeter right now. So for dinner, we're just gonna do Chick-fil-A. Who's surprised? No one is. Anyways, that is my little haul, and I will see you guys at dinner time. Okay, bye. It is dinner time, and we got Chick-fil-A. I always get the same thing. If you follow me on TikTok, you know, but if you don't, here's my order that I always get. It started out as like my deficit order, but now it's just like my regular order. I do my 8-count nugget. Do that with barbecue sauce. That also with mac and cheese. Now, I typically don't really enjoy the fries at Chick-fil-A, so I just don't get the fries. When I get McDonald's and I get like my deficit order, I do get the fries at McDonald's because I enjoy the fries at McDonald's. So I feel like if you enjoy fries at Chick-fil-A, you should try to work that into your deficit or your maintenance if you can. And then obviously I get a large Diet Coke. And this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. It's been a fun little Saturday with what I eat. I think I'm gonna end the day off with 1,700 calories. So typically I'm eating right now in a range 1580 to 1610. Today that didn't happen, but 17 is still in my maintenance. I just could not be bothered with cooking today. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy Chick-fil-A, and this is going to be the last video that I edit before I go on my trip. I will be vlogging my trip over on TikTok, and then I'll probably do like a little reset video when I come back on YouTube. So we'll see. But yeah, if you want to keep up with my travels coming up, make sure to follow me on TikTok. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye. Psych, that was not the end of the video. This is going to be the end of the video. It's a little grocery haul. You are looking into the future. It is the next day. It is Sunday morning. I just got my groceries done. I have brunch with a friend, and I really just wanted to get it out the way. So I thought, why not just add this on to my video so I can show you guys what I got for this week, the week before my trip. And really, I just want to like lock in with my food. So here we go. Okay, let's start with this bag. I got some bacon. This is for Trey. He eats this bacon for breakfast. I got some avocado smash. This is what I use for my tuna and bean dip, just so I can mix it all up. And I sometimes also use this for other stuff, but mainly for my lunch. And then I'm trying this new flavor, Bearbell's Salty Peanut. If you've had this flavor, let me know. I really love the creamy crisp, and I have the chocolate dough in my pantry right now, but I wanted to try something new. I got some avocados. I feel like I ran through these the last time I got them, and I do have salmon that I'm gonna make later this week, and I think I'm just gonna pair that with some avocado and some rice. I got some honey because I was running low. I got some pico de gallo. This is what I use for my tuna and bean dip as well. And then I'm also going to use that for the nachos that I'm going to make tonight. I'm going to make some ground beef nachos. And then I got some chia seeds because I was also running low. I got a single avocado. This one was more ripe for tonight, and these are going to last me through the week. I think that's the thing I hate most about like getting real avocados versus just getting the smash. It's like I have to sit here and wait and like time it perfectly for when it's like completely ripe. And then I got some taco seasoning that I'm gonna use for my ground beef tacos, or my ground beef nachos. And then I got some gutsies. They were buy one, get one. So I was like, why not? And then I'm gonna eat these for the days that I have my kibble for breakfast because that has no fiber whatsoever. So I'm just gonna pair this with a little gutsy. We got some bananas. This is usually Trey's snack, but I did have a banana this week, so I'm probably gonna have another one this week. And I got some salt and pepper because I was running low. Got some teriyaki sauce because I was running low. This is also what I use for my ground beef and for my salmon. And then we got some mixed veggies for my dinners. This is what I pair with ground beef, rice, this sauce, and then my sriracha mayo. And then Trey drinks these. These are the Starbucks double shot energy, and they had a sale. I think it was like buy one, get one, or buy two, get two. I don't know. Anyways, that is that. And then for the meats, I got salmon, obviously. And then I got all the ground beef. That's just what I'm gonna eat this week, clearly. So I got 3. This is gonna last me for 3 dinners, and then also my breakfasts the following day that I use it for my kibble. I always use leftover ground beef for my kibble. So we have that, and now we have some chips. They were on sale, so I got 2, but I used the late July multi-grain sea salt. I use this for both my tuna and bean dip, and then also my ground beef nachos. Eggs. So currently Trey is eating eggs for breakfast with the bacon, and then I eat eggs when I have my kibble and I'm not eating my chia seed pudding. And obviously Vital Farms, the only eggs that I get. And then, ooh, this is a little heavy. Okay, so this is the cheese dip that I use for my ground beef nachos. Got some cottage cheese. I'm gonna use this for my kibble. And then I got some yogurt because I needed some for my chia seed pudding. I use Siggy's, the vanilla flavor. And then I got some beans. So this is the brand that I get, La Preferida, because the other ones that I got, I think they were like the Simple Truth. They were 110 calories, same amount of calories, but they had 7 grams of fiber versus these beans have 9 grams of fiber per serving. So why not get the one that has more fiber? And then I got a shit ton of tuna for my lunches. Woo! I use 2 servings per my lunch, so that's why I have so many. This is gonna be 4 lunches, so I ended up having to get 8. And this is coming at a terrible time because I just saw this guy on TikTok say he got like poisoning, like mercury poisoning from tuna. So yeah, but you know what? I love my little tuna and bean dip, and that's that. And oh, I did also get, you guys already know what I'm about to say. I obviously got my Diet Coke. And yeah, that is my little haul for the week. This is currently everything for my dinners, my breakfasts, my lunch. Yeah, I can't believe I leave in a week. Ask me if I'm ready. I'm not ready, but your girl's gonna get ready, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys have a good start to your week, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.